Today is my birthday, and I'm so excited because I love my birthday. I love this time of year. I love Halloween. I love the holidays that are coming up, and I've just been feeling very thankful and very blessed lately. And so, as I think back to how fortunate I've been to pursue my dreams, being a professional musician, recording, writing songs, being a producer, being a teacher, and then also being an online teacher, just been very, very fortunate, and I'm very thankful to you for supporting me and being a part of this. When you look back at your life, I want to be known for a certain thing, my legacy. I want to be known for my faith. I want to be known as a great husband, a great father, and I want to be known for giving back, sharing my talents and my gifts with you. And so I'm thinking, what can I do for my birthday for you? And what is what I've decided to do? I decided to give you my Master the Ukulele 1 course. That's my top selling course. It's the very first ukulele course I actually ever filmed, and it happens to be the best selling one that I've ever made as well. And I want to give it to you, all the videos, which are downloadable, all the backing tracks, all the downloadable and printable sheet music and tab for $1. So $1 gets you the complete Master the Ukulele 1 course. You don't have to pay ever again because that's lifetime access to the course, and that's it. So as a special birthday gift from me to you, my Master the Ukulele 1 course for $1, but it's only going to be for 24 hours, just today on my birthday. So make sure you take advantage of this great offer, and thank you, and we'll see you inside the Master the Ukulele 1 course.